Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. You need at least 2 app icons on the same home page. Once done, press and hold a blank area or pinch the screen to enter edit mode. This reveals movable icons and widgets. Make sure the apps you plan to group are visible and positioned close together, because proximity determines grouping. If an icon is on another page, drag it over now. You're setting the stage. Arranging icons first makes the folder. You create the folder by long pressing one app and dragging it directly onto another app. When they overlap, release to form the folder. Once the folder appears, tap it to open and you'll see a name field at the top. Type a clear label so you find apps faster. After naming, drag more apps into the folder one by one. You can also reorder inside the folder by dragging icons. This method keeps related apps together and reduces home screen clutter. You finish by moving the folder to an optimal spot, bottom row for thumb reach or a dedicated page for categories. If you need to remove an app, open the folder and drag the icon out. The folder auto-deletes when empty. If dragging or folder creation fails, make sure screen editing is enabled and no accessibility or launcher restrictions block gestures, then restart the launcher or device. Performing these checks solves most issues and ensures your new folder behaves consistently across reboots and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.